Hello everyone! Today I will walk you through how to track down player on the minimap. Before I show you, I want to tell you how I came up with this idea. This is my maze game project that I'm working on right now, and I got a feedback that players can get lost and stuck in the maze and it can discourage them to continue to play. So that's how I figure out this idea, and I hope this minimap can make player have better experience. So let me show you from scratch. I created a new project with first person play mode, and I'm going to create some folders for the contents that we're going to add. The very first thing to do is create a wizard, because we are going to show the minimap in the wizard. With two borders overlapped, you can have the outline in the minimap. Let's put them on top right of the screen and make a size 300 by 300. Going to move it slightly down and left from the edge to have a bit of margin. Now creating a render target, which is going to be the minimap. And creating its material. Let's link render target to wizard. Now going to create another material for drawing the line. Double-click the material just created. First, add vector parameter. Rename it to draw location. Change R and G value. Add a constant value. Actually, I referenced one video about this part of creating drawing materials. I will add the link in the video description if you want more detailed explanation. This parameter has the size of drawing line. You can change the value as you prefer. Don't forget to change the mode to additive. It's opening the wizard in level blueprint. Next, going to set up the wizard. In this step, going to initialize materials and drawing the line on the map. First function is to initialize materials. Add event on initialize. Promote the value as variable and name it to map marker. Clear render target 2D. And now we are going to get the size of floor. I'm going to represent the floor size by adding trigger volume on the floor. So whenever user moves to asset, we don't have to calculate the floor location and everything again. And it's gonna be exact same size as floor and same location. Copy the same location in the floor. Let's find the current floor size. Scale is 40. And the mesh that floor is using is cube of 100. So the size is gonna be 4000 on the trigger volume. Paste the same location as we copied. Let's get the volume in the initializing function and promote to variable, since we are going to use it for later. Next one is draw the minimap custom event. And call it location to draw. And a vector 2D input because we are going to get players X and Y value only, and a link to set vector parameter value. In order to use vector 2D to linear color structure, convert vector to 2-vector and link it to the value target. Will be map marker from dynamic material instance and draw material to render target. Almost done. And call the draw minimap event. For location to draw, let's get player character and word location. Now we have to calculate the player's floor volume location, get the trigger volume, and get actor bounds. The origin is going to have center of the volume location, and box extent is set to half the floor size. If we minus between origin and extent, it will locate to floor volume's start position. And then get the player's word location, subtract the volume start position, then double the box extent value to set entire the volume size. Subtract 2 vectors will return the player's location on the volume. Nearly done now. Just one thing to change. I forgot to put the drawing materials parameter name, copy the parameter name and paste it. That's it. Let's hit the play. Yes. It's drawing up to all the edges. Let's check if it still works if we move the actors. Awesome! Thanks for watching. Here is my heart for everyone. Bye!